Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some spring cottage home decorating ideas. Let's have a look. Here are some spring cottage decoration tips. Fresh flowers. Bring the outdoors in by placing vases of fresh flowers throughout the cottage. Tulip and daffodils are popular choice for spring. Light fabrics. Swap out heavy curtains and blankets for lighter fabrics like linen or cotton to create a breezy springtime feel. Natural elements. Decorate with natural elements such as oven baskets, wooden accents, and potted plants to enhance the cottage's rustic charm. Pastel colors. Incorporate soft pastel colors like light blue, lavender, and pale yellow into your decor palette to evoke a springtime vibe. Seasonal decorations. Add touches of spring themed decor such as Easter eggs, bunnies, or bird nests to celebrate the season. Open windows. Take advantage of warmer weather by opening windows to let in fresh air and natural light, making the space feel airy and inviting. Spring artwork. Hang spring themed artwork or photographs featuring flowers, landscapes, and wildlife to add a pop of color and interest to the walls. Seasonal centerpieces. Create seasonal centerpieces for tables using fresh flowers, branches, or decorative eggs to add a touch of springtime charm to your dining areas. Dye wreaths. Create your own spring wreaths using fresh or fox flowers, greenery, and ribbons to hang the front door or above the fireplace for a welcoming touch. Seasonal pillows. Swap out your throw pillows for ones featuring floral patterns, cheerful prints, or pastel colors to instantly update the look of your sitting area. Spring cleaning. Declutter and deep clean the cottage to freshen up the space and make room for a new decor items. Consider organizing storage areas with baskets or bins for a tidy look. Fresh linens. Switch to lightweight, breathable linens for bedding and tablecloths in soft colors or floral patterns to evoke a springtime feel in every room. Indoor herb garden. Start an indoor herb garden in your kitchen or windowsill using pots or hanging planters to add fresh herbs like basil, mint, and parsley to your cooking. Decorative birdhouse. Display decorative birdhouse, indoors or outdoors, to add a whimsical touch to your decor and celebrate the return of songbirds in the springtime. Seaside accents. If your cottage is near the coast, incorporate seaside accents like shells, driftwood, or neutral themed decor to bring a coastal vibe to your spring decor. Spring themed table settings. Set your dining table with spring themed dishes, glassware, and linens for an elegant touch during meals or entertaining guests. Window boxes. Install window boxes outside your cottage and plant them with seasonal flowers or herbs to add charm and color to the exterior. Thanks for watching the video.